Hey guys, Northwest Rail fan here. We're pulling into Colebrook and we got a war bonnet coming. Second unit, 8226 the leader. That's worth a subscribe. Just gonna roll the window up. Yeah, I literally just got here. Perfect timing. And I'm just letting you guys know something. I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a railroad spike signed by me. So if you want to enter that giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe with notifications, like the video, and leave a comment saying you're subscribed, and you will enter for a chance to win the railroad spike signed by me. I don't know when the giveaway will be ending yet. Probably sometime in November or December. But yeah, it's little news that I had to give out. Oh, that's kind of an inappropriate drawing there. Just pretend that doesn't exist. I usually like to try and keep it family friendly here. That wasn't very family friendly. Nice outside today. And the skies are completely clear. I don't see any clouds at all. I mean, there might be one cloud, but I don't see any. Perfectly clear skies. By the way, more on the road spike giveaway. There'll be 3 winners, only 3. So, if you want a chance, better get on and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell and make sure to like the video. That's funny because I just saw a war bonnet here, or a fake bonnet. That one was a fake bonnet. Yeah, I've been seeing quite a few fake bonnets. So here's the end of the train. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed, please don't consider liking and subscribing. And hit the bell so you get notified every single time I upload. Till next time, peace out.